The enigma of perfect sleep, unlocking the secrets of our body's internal rhythm. The symphony of sleep. Imagine a world where a silent yet profound orchestra plays each night, conducting the most intricate symphony in our very bodies. This orchestra is not made up of instruments, but of biological processes, rhythms, and cycles that govern our every slumber. Each night, we fall into a realm where dreams and the physical rejuvenation of our bodies intertwine, creating a delicate balance that is essential for our well-being. The perfect sleep cycle is more than just rest. It is a miraculous machine within us, one that deserves to be understood. Within this cycle, our bodies undergo several stages, each with its own unique role in maintaining health. The journey begins in what scientists call non-REM sleep, before transitioning into the crucial REM stage, where dreaming occurs. This delicate interplay of stages unfolds like chapters in a book, each one critical to creating the perfect narrative of restorative sleep. But what exactly happens during these stages, and why should we pay close attention? Understanding sleep stages. Throughout the night, we cycle through several stages of sleep, of which non-REM sleep consists of 3 distinct phases. The transition from wakefulness begins our journey into light sleep, characterized by reduced brain activity and muscle tension. This phase acts as a bridge, gently easing us into deeper slumber. As we progress, we dive deeper into the next phases, which are essential for physical recovery. In slow wave sleep, we experience the most restorative benefits. Our bodies release growth hormones and cellular repair mechanisms are activated. This is the body's way of healing from daily stressors, both mental and physical. But it's during this phase that one can also experience something fascinating, a period of heightened sensitivity to external stimuli, suggesting another mystery of sleep still waiting to be unraveled. Eventually, we shift into REM sleep, a phase marked by vivid dreams and increased brain activity. While the body remains almost paralyzed, the mind is brilliantly alive. This paradox emphasizes the complexity of our sleep architecture, where restful nights become essential for cognitive functioning and emotional regulation. So, how does the body know when to transition through these stages smoothly? The biological clock. It all boils down to our biological clock, or circadian rhythm, a 24-hour cycle that orchestrates our sleep patterns along with various bodily functions. Governed by an array of environmental factors, such as light exposure, the circadian rhythm helps regulate when we feel awake and when we feel sleepy. This natural rhythm is finely tuned. However, modern life often throws it off balance. The implications of this disruption can be significant. Irregular sleep patterns can lead to a host of issues, from chronic fatigue to impaired cognitive abilities. Yet many people remain unaware that interacting with screens before bedtime can alter the circadian signals in ways that diminish the quality of their sleep. In this age of technology, we must nurture not just our bodies, but our sleep environments as well. The myth of sleep quantity. Here lies a fascinating truth. More sleep does not always equate to better rest. Most of us assume that the longer we sleep, the more rejuvenated we will feel. However, recent studies have shown that sleep quality is often more vital than quantity. A night filled with uninterrupted, high-quality sleep is far more effective at boosting health than simply logging more hours in bed. This counterintuitive revelation begs the question, are we sacrificing quality for quantity in our pursuit of perfect rest? Cultivating healthy sleep habits. To harness this knowledge, we must incorporate strategies that promote healthy sleep habits. Creating a sleep-friendly environment is critical. This means dimming the lights, keeping screens at bay, and maintaining a cool and comfortable room temperature. Each of these factors plays a role in signaling to our bodies that it's time to prepare for slumber. Moreover, establishing a regular sleep schedule can help reinforce our natural rhythms. Going to bed and waking up at the same time each day conditions the body to expect sleep, significantly improving overall sleep quality. The question then arises, how can we retrain our internal clocks in an ever-demanding world? The art of mindfulness. Introducing mindfulness practices into our routines can provide immense benefits. Simple techniques such as meditation, deep breathing, or yoga can help reduce anxiety and prepare the mind for restful sleep. Engaging in mindfulness allows us to unwind, smoothing the edges of our hectic lives and inviting tranquility. As we engage in these practices, we often realize that sleep is not merely the absence of wakefulness, but rather a complex state that rejuvenates our bodies, stimulates creativity, and heals. Yet even these methods can meet resistance. Combining discipline with creativity, we can approach our sleep as an art form, elevating it beyond routine. The dreams we weave. While exploring the mechanics of sleep, we must not overlook the captivating realm of dreams. Researchers have found that our dreams can reflect our emotional states and unresolved issues. They can serve as a platform for problem-solving or a canvas for our innermost thoughts. The power of dreams is profound, revealing truths about our psyche that we often seem to overlook in our waking lives. What mysteries lie within your dreams? Have you ever woken up pondering the vivid scenes that played out in your mind? This inquiry opens up a world of exploration about how sleep serves a dual purpose, both a physical necessity and an emotional sanctuary. How do you prepare for sleep? What little habits make a big difference for you? Share your thoughts. Your experiences might just inspire someone to explore their journey toward perfect sleep.